Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. Getting started with our Paracord Planet news, we had a couple lighter wrap tutorials. We'll get to those in a second. We had 2 bracelet tutorials. One of those bracelets uses our new magnetic clasps, so if you're looking to change up the hardware, that might be something to check out. We also had a knitting spool tutorial come out showing how to use our knitting spools. If you're wondering how those work or want to do any of those projects, the links to those tutorials can be found in the description of this video. We had a new blog post come out since our last wrap-up. It's all about the Monday Medley and how we choose pictures for that. If you're not familiar with the Monday Medley, it's a post we do on all of our social media accounts every Monday that showcases customer creations. So make sure to check out our Facebook and Twitter for more info on that. Taking a look at our Paracord community, we've got a Paracord highlight for this wrap-up. There have been a ton of Baby Yoda creations going around the internet, and our friend Tanya Fernandez did a little variation making a Princess Leia keychain. I think it looks fantastic, it's adorable, and it's a great variation on a very popular project. Great job, Tanya. And now for what we wrapped. A bunch of lighters. We did some lighter wraps, which we actually completed tutorials for as well this time to make sure to show you guys how to do those if you're looking to recreate what we've wrapped. So we did the West Country Whipping Stitch was the first one I held, and then we did what I've dubbed the easiest lighter wrap ever, which was this one. We did them in a couple different colors, so you can really personalize your lighter the way you want it. And it's a great way to stop yourself from losing your lighter, because you're always going to know the one with the rainbow paracord is yours. So if you're interested in those tutorials, they are in the description of this video. So now, what we're going to wrap next time. In case you guys aren't aware, there's a large event happening a couple Sundays from today. So we're going to wrap a bowl. It's going to be super. We'll see you then.